I'm going to take you guys to I think a nice place here, and it's, for me, it's very spectacular. So we'll go for a short walk, and we'll be on the Atlantic side again, and we'll give it a go. So everybody, they put on little tags to show you where the path is, right? Where is she? You coming? Yes, dear. Okay. Now there's a poisonous tree around here, well, all through the Exuma. It's called dogwood. Okay, now since Sandy learned about dogwood, everything is goddamn dogwood now. Don't touch that. Don't touch this. Everything's dogwood. That's poisonous. That's poisonous. So dogwood is a poisonous leaf, and if you rub against it, you're gonna get poisoned.
It's 100 times worse, so they say, than poison ivy. The itch is like there's no tomorrow.
Okay, so this is what she read, and of course, now everything is dogwood. And you know what? If I show me where there's a dogwood, and we're gonna throw you into it.
No, I'm gonna throw you into it. Or I'll just let you touch everything.
So,
you know, you can scratch your bum and have all kinds of big rashes.
so anyways, that's the way it rolls. Everything now is dogwood. Is this dogwood here, hon?
Nope.
No, that's not dogwood, but she'll know. She's an expert at dogwood. Okay? Expert. Because she read about it. And now for the rest of my life, I'm going to hear the story about how poisonous it is, and don't touch that, and you got to wash off now, I got to scrub it off, and you can't bring that into the boat because it touched the dogwood. I seen it. Ugh. It's just after 8 o'clock in the morning, and this is what I'm talking about. This is something else. We're going to take you along this beach here and for a walk, and we're going to go way down to the other end. It's, look at, and it's just us two. We may have come across another 2 people or so, but this is what happens. Look at the color. Boy, the water's really down on this side, eh? Like, not rough. Beautiful day. You want to get away from people, you got to get a boat and come to the Bahamas. If you want to get away from people, you got to get a boat and you got to come to the Bahamas. That's what you got to do. is something we do on board now, is we play cards. Skippo is the card game we played. It got introduced to us from my friends in Massachusetts, and I think Carrie Ann brought us these cards down, right?
No, they were here already.
Oh, were they?
Yes.
And
they were here already. From
they're
Ryan and Wellesley.
they're good. They're good. They're good players and that, but I think we're better now. And
Negative.
and anyways,
We're getting
this
better.
is what we play every night almost here. You know, at Anchor. It's dark out. We really can't go anywhere, so we play cards and then we go to bed and then I rip a piece off.
Shut up. Don't put that, like, fuck. You gotta stop talking like that.
Doesn't love it.
Some of the transversing, like in the big water, I'm not the fan of. Once we get to where we're going, I enjoy myself. But the getting to there is not the fun part for me. That's the fun part for him.
What about being stuck on a boat with me?
That's not fun. No, that's not fun.
You can't get away.
I know.